investment.
Unang yalam jangkaliang persya, Dr. Mukul Sangma, Iaroh iki Pulit ka Meghalaya na kabenta ke Jingstet shitom jangki, banwad iki badan keti, haga jing penyap ya unang indur, kabadai ke kambaman, kabalale de kibriu ki banabar gejela. Ula kentu ban penlong ke jing Tohkit ke bakloy, bad ula banjur, ba ke jing bisharu kadai banlong ke bakloy. Dr. Sangma ula ong baling ba ke jing pen saja, ban kan penduk mensim, ya kinong le kam sniu, ban wan le sniu sya kejela. Da ong bakum kani kerukom trekam dei ban penne na kabenta gi jingja baro bad om tang habasha kan thojur hagisnat pathai kubor.
We should take every incidence of crime with utmost sense of seriousness. Not only when the whole media put pressure, not only when the whole instance of such crime is brought to the notice of everybody. That is the only time when we should demonstrate, efficiency and competency and responsibility. I think efficiency and competency and the sense of responsibility of police organization has been there. As I have said, we have built strong, resilient, competent, efficient and responsible police organization over the years. I have taken pride in this.
Menteri Kejela Uba Alexander lalu hek